I'll be walking up to my bed.
So I'm at a Canadian coffee company called Crave, and it's really, really cute. It's like a posher version of this like boutique, gorgeous coffee place. And as you can see, it's just beautiful. This is like, you know, what Starbucks tries to be, but they're chain. This is beautiful, honestly, I can't wait. There's my family. Say hi. Hi. And we've got all these like table fans, like sofas. So cozy. Gorgeous, gorgeous. Dad, say hi, Dad.
Hi.
And this is his new car. What is it?
It's a Chrysler 300C.
And it's his new baby.
It's a 8-cylinder Hemi engine. Lots of horsepower.
Yes, and he's gonna start
And
it.
let's start it up now. Ready
Start
for
it up.
this?
Ready?
See how long
We're
this
ready.
is? Ready?
Ready.
I'll show you then.
Okay. We're gonna go inside. It looks like a gangster car for sure.
Hey, help him shut off.
That sounds amazing.
Help him shut off.
Can I
Yeah.
have you inside?
So he's got 2 sunroofs.
Very cool. There's a double sunroof.
I'm gonna start it again.
Okay. He's gonna start it again.
It's scary when you start it.
It is. It kind of makes you jump.
Okay.
It's my dad in his Canada
I'll
Goose
show you
jacket.
I'll show you the. Whoa, whoa. Hang on. See the subwoofer?
Oh my god.
It's got a big subwoofer in it.
This is the subwoofer of my dad's car.
Must not start when the trunk is open.
Yeah, probably.
Yeah. Shut it.
Oh, maybe because you opened the door?
Oh yeah, maybe.
Okay. So we'll keep the
Sure,
door
yeah.
closed. Yeah.
I'll show you the engine.
Okay.
How come it didn't start?
Won't let you drive with the hood open, maybe. This is the engine.
So,
It's in the front.
8-cylinder Hemi.
Hemi. Is that like a special type of engine?
Yep. I'm gonna start it from the inside.
Okay.
Even the cup holders,
Yeah.
they stay hot or cold.
Wow.
Switches for that.
Very cool.
It's got freaking everything in it. You name it, it's got it.
That's awesome. Look at those rims, Dad. Wow.
this reservoir is leaking, eh? Because I filled it up, so the top of it's leaking off.
Uncle, say hi.
Hi.
And he's proud to show off his alcohol collection that he's been collecting. So tell us about this.
Oh, this is a Canadian club. It's a 42-year-old Canadian whiskey,
And how much are these a piece?
and well, they're $300 each.
And
that's a 15-year-old whiskey, and this is a blend.
little book. It's fancy. Look at that box. Really
This
nice
is Jack
box.
Daniel's stuff.
JD. This is stuff that I cannot.
This is
Is this a premixed? Oh yeah, we have these in England.
yeah.
What, they do premixed now?
Yeah,
Or
premixed in a
premixed
Coke.
ones
You can get Cosmos and like a gin and tonic in a glass. You can get Cosmo in a can.
Oh.
Hennessy and Coke in a can.
Just ice wines and
Ice
stuff.
wine. That's a Canadian thing.
There's a
Yeah.
bunch of little.
That's
what are
adorable.
these?
It's the same weird thing, right?
Yeah, they're like
Mint.
little baby ones, I think. Can I
So-
open this?
Isn't ice wine like when the grape is frozen?
Yeah. Yeah, it's a
I
Canadian.
don't like these. These ones are
Say hi to my
these are
cousin.
like a whiskey. These are like a whiskey ice wine.
Oh, that's so
is
cute.
the
Look
most
at that.
adorable thing.
Yeah, so we got like 5 of those.
Oh my gosh, I love
These
it.
are
That
the
is
big ones
so
with the
cute.
glasses.
It's ice wine's really good. It comes out really, really, really sweet.
I don't think I've ever had it.
It's nice. Yeah, it's sweet because the sugar is like.
And a bunch of wine.
Nice.
It's all
Yeah.
the Game of Thrones stuff.
Yeah,
Game
so
of
all the Game of
Thrones.
Thrones stuff is mine.
Show us the Game of Thrones stuff.
So we got this one. This is the one where if you freeze the bottle, it looks cool. I haven't actually.
Wow.
I haven't done it yet, but. And then there's
These
this
are such
one,
pretty
the Stark
bottles.
one, and then Targaryen one.
Nice. And then, ooh, look at that. Crystal Head vodka.
Yeah, and then it comes with a little.
Very
There's
cool.
little martini glasses too, with skulls on them. You can see the
Printed
have
ice.
sigils inside.
Yeah, it's so cool.
And then there's some
These are the
etched
bottles,
glasses too.
Lovely.
You wanna
Oh. Lovely.
etched glasses?
What are these? Bottega. Gin. Of course, Kraken. These are the most beautiful bottles. I love them. And this one?
This was just a Halloween one. I don't remember who it's by. I don't know if you can see that.
Not Abu.
Yeah, I can't really
Not
focus
Abu.
in on
Not
that.
Abu. Captain Morgan.
I don't know, but it's
Jackal
vodka.
Blast. That is so cute.
Yeah, and then I got like some Game of Thrones wines here. More wine. Or no, this isn't the wine. This is
Mother
the,
of Dragons.
Oh no, these are the ales and
Oh,
stuff.
ales.
No, but there's Game of Thrones wine or Game of Thrones wine over here. There's a red,
The Chardonnay, right?
Pinot,
Pinot.
and Chardonnay.
Nice.
Yeah, and you can see all the cool stuff on the label.
Very pretty. Look at all that. Look at all that art. Details.
Yeah, so I love those.
It's got 12 Coronas in there.
That is so cute. And it has even a bottle opener.
Yeah, I don't know. We have a lunch box.
6 tall cans inside.
Oops, I don't know.
Oh, because of the cardboard? I
don't know.
Oh, yeah, the cardboard.
Oh yeah, I
Yeah.
forgot about the cardboard. Okay.
But anyway,
It's
you get
alright.
the idea.
That one's cool too, though.
We've got
Yeah, so that's
Crown Royal Limited. Absolute Canada. I've never seen those before.
yeah, they do special bottles now
And show
for
us,
certain
show us
occasions.
the sequence thing.
Yeah, so
Jade
they
is gonna
got-
show you.
You know, it's got like the mermaid thing going on.
Love it.
And these are the Pride edition.
Pride
ones.
Edition vodka. Very cool.
Yeah, I like the Pride ones.
Love it.
Neat, eh?
Love it. I love your collection.
And I don't drink.
All the tiny little. Here's my hand for reference. Tiny little babies. Oh my god, the patron is so cute.
Oh, where the hell did my mom get that?
I've
don't
seen
have
these
that
in
yet.
Toronto.
Ugh.
They're adorable.
The LCBOs we have here are not that cool. I have a little Bombay that's like this big though.
Right.
But you wanted the long one, right? Or small?
Canadian coffee crisp is so delicious. It's like one of my favorite chocolate bars ever. Is Crazy Cat. He looks like a toasted marshmallow and he's beautiful. I don't know if you can see with the flash, but he's got these gorgeous icy blue eyes. And he matches, come on, up here. He matches his bed. He sleeps right here. Look, literally no difference. He's purring. He's purring. Meow.
Oh my god, he's so cute.
Meow. Crazy cat. Crazy. You good boy. He's purring so loud. Is he? Yeah. And there's my gorgeous aunt. I'm you on video. Say hi. Hi, honey. That's Lucky's Crazy Cat's baby. What you doing? What you doing? Well, what you doing? Hi. It's going under my legs. Where is he? There you are. Funny. Oh my goodness. You're so funny.